right, so special thanks to this company for sending me a set of their pie dishes. Now, this is a set of 6 pie pans for kitchen. Not a lot to really show you on the box. And let's open this up and take a look at it. All right, so what all do we have down in here? We have some foam, and then looks like all the pie dishes. Well, that's it for the box. So this is the pie dishes and what they look like. Very nice blue look to them. I like it. Number 2, very, very nice, and they feel like really good quality. Number 3, number 4, number 5, and number 6. So that is what these pie dishes would look like. So you can see the size, they're about the size of my fist. They would make a very, very good pie, and honestly, these would look great sitting in your kitchen while you're waiting on Thanksgiving to make those pies. That should do it for this unboxing though. Hope you guys liked it. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.